Yo, what is up, YouTube? So I'm not sure if you can tell right now, I got the flash on because sun hasn't quite come up yet, but I wanted to get out here before anyone else really gets here and try to get some pictures off. The whole idea was to get here before sunrise, hoping that no one would be out here. So far so good. But I saw one of my friends on Instagram post something yesterday at Ash Cave, and it had the little like snow ice collection that Ash Cave is really well known for in the winter, but I've never seen it, so I'm hoping that it'll be like that. And I mean, there's obviously snow everywhere. It's icy, it's cold, it's about 20 degrees right now. So fingers crossed on that one. But we're gonna hike out here real quick, snap off some quick pictures and try to get to a few other places. Maybe Cedar Falls and some of the falls at Old Man's Cave. If I can get to some of these places with decent water flow before it gets heavy with people, that'll be win-win for that. So yeah, gonna head on out here and check it out. All right, made it here, and yeah, it is exactly got the little snow ice buildup that I was hoping for and expecting, so that's awesome. And honestly, I just love this place right now. Like with the contrast between like the sandy cave and then the snow and everything, it's just an awesome contrast. So I'm pretty excited about this. Gonna break out the tripod because it's not quite light out. So I'm gonna have to take a long exposure to make sure that we get everything, but gonna set that up real quick and snap off some pictures. All right, well, that is going to be it for Ash Cave. Pretty sweet. I'm not disappointed at all, and as anticipated, had the whole place to myself, which is always nice. So I'm going to head back to the car now and going to go check out Cedar Falls, as long as there's not a ton of people there, which can't imagine there will be. It's still not quite 8 a.m. and pretty cold, so I can't imagine there's going to be too many people there. So I'm looking forward to it, and I will see you guys there. See ya. Alright, what is up? So Just made it to Cedar Falls. No one's here still, so that's awesome. Getting ready to hike down, and by that I mean climb down all these stairs and go check it out. I can hear the water flowing from here, which is always great news, and this is probably my favorite waterfall in Ohio, so I can't imagine this being anything but awesome. So I'm excited. Let's get down there and check it out. Let's go. Alright, well, that is gonna be it for here. Might have had a little accident with the drone there. Good thing I bought the insurance. Very valuable at this time. But yeah, that's gonna be it for here. Not 100% sure. I'm probably gonna cruise through Old Man's Cave just to see what the traffic level is like. Because that place obviously usually fills up quicker than here, but I think we at least got some decent photos, decent videos, so we'll have to see when we get home, but yeah, let's take off. Alright, what is up? So it's a couple days later now. I never made it to Old Man's Cave. All 3 of my batteries were already dead, so didn't really see the point in going to Old Man's Cave at the time. I've seen it snowy several times, so I was okay. Plus the drone crashed, all 3 batteries were dead. I just figured it was a good sign to call it. But yeah, that's gonna be it for the video. If you can, like it, share it, comment down below, let me know where I should go to next. If there's any kind of video you guys would like to see, just let me know in the comments below. Subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you guys in the next video. See ya.